You're watching NappyCast by Jason Nappy. Weather, a clear sky in Caribou, but there's a winter storm going on to the south. We'll get to all that in the forecast in just a second and show you what's going on in southern Maine and in northern Maine eventually, where things are going to be changing very soon. So we'll take a look at that in the forecast and show you what's going on in Sanford right now. There it is, freezing rain and rain. We've had snow. We've had the whole mixed bag, and that's going to push up north into the county, really all of Maine, central Maine, down east, western mountains of Maine getting in on it. It's all coming north in just a few hours here in the next several hours. So we will go hour by hour in the forecast and show you what's going on here on radar. So here's the first tool to look at things, and right now you can see there's a mix going on. Most of this is pretty accurate with freezing rain coming down from southern Maine. We got a few to 4 or 5 inches of snow yesterday was the reports that I saw. But you see that freezing rain and sleet mixing in. I'll switch over to correlation coefficient here on the dual pole radar. This picks up different size objects in the sky, and it's very easy to see where that line of mix has pushed up. All the way up towards Andover, Rumford, Farmington, Waterville, where you see that brighter shade there. That's different size objects in the sky in Camden. So from that area south is where you have the mix. North of that, it is snow in the Carrabassett Valley. So that's the forecast right now, and that line of mixed precip is going to be pushing north throughout the day. Temperatures here are with the east wind, 32, 30, 31, 20s north. Now, there's a warm nose in the atmosphere that's melting that snow. That's why, even though temperatures are at freezing or below freezing here, you've got obviously ice going on. It's not just plain old snow. You've got freezing rain. Anywhere the temperature is 32 or below and it's raining in a place like Standish, watch out for freezing rain in the Oxford Hills today especially. The sky is clear though in Caribou. You can see that. See that up, and the whole county is pretty much cloud free. But the clouds are to the south. There is a front down to the south that's going to push north today, and it's going to bring another round of moisture. This is round 2 of the moisture coming our way today and tonight. Here it is in the hour-by-hour forecast. So I'm going to reset things here after I show you this rain coming through on Monday. There's going to be periods of rain, even a rumble of thunder on Monday. But I'll reset things, get you back to Sunday. But yes, this goes into Monday and Tuesday, and there will be rounds of even a couple thunderstorms. But here it is, Sunday morning, starting off as snow, a mixture of ice, freezing rain, sleet, all that happening, especially away from the coastline today throughout the day. It will be tough to get that ice to accrete like paint, to kind of go on like layers of paint, especially at the coastline. So don't expect an ice storm, but there will be some ice accretion and some ice accumulation. So accumulation is more sleet, accretion is freezing rain, that's the layers of paint, but then it's all rain by Monday, the entire state, and then here comes a line of maybe some embedded thunderstorms as we get some rumbles of thunder, temperatures pushing close to 60. Typically this time of the year, the computer models like to overdo that warm air getting in here, but we'll see. There's a little bit of instability in the atmosphere, so we'll see how far north that instability makes it during the day Monday. It's a wintry mix and rain on Nappy's notes with that ice accretion. That's freezing rain. That's like paint, layers of paint, especially in the Oxford Hills today, heading up into the Katahdin region and the county, and then another storm on Thursday coming through. So we're going to see this winter-like pattern continue because it is still March and April, and those are winter months in Maine, obviously. Wintry mix to rain today. Right now in Portland, Lewis, and Auburn, it's freezing rain and rain mixing in. Eastport, just some high clouds. Bangor, some high clouds. Caribou, it's clear. Mountains, 29, 35, 38 today. So the coastline gets above freezing, so I'm not concerned with ice at the coastline today. It'll be freezing rain and rain inland. Tonight, mountains 27, inland 32, and the coast 36 degrees. With that east wind 5 to 10, things will be milder on the coastline. Small craft at most for the Mariners today and tonight. Nothing big there. No gales up, no storm warnings or anything like that. This is just overrunning precip coming up from the front. So no storms in the Gulf of Maine that are going to churn. So here's the forecast for the mountains the next 10 days. It is over to plain rain, 52, 34, 36, 47. It's a mixed terrain on Thursday. Friday, it's mostly cloudy. Same thing Saturday. And then another kind of snow to rain mix Sunday with a few snow showers on Monday of April 7th. Temperatures cooling off into April. And then it's rain showers inland for the last day of March tomorrow. Tuesday, Wednesday clear out. And then it's a mixed terrain Thursday, 51, 54. And then a little bit of a snow to mix situation on Sunday. Then next week after that, the first, obviously, April 7th, 8th, 9th, you see there a few showers coming in. So, forecast of the coastline is going to be 56, few rumbles of thunder on Monday, rain showers on and off. Not an all-day heavy rain washout, but there will be certainly some periods and some embedded thunder and some downpours in there. Clear out Thursday, it is going to be all rain, 55, 55 Friday. Saturday, 50-50 weekend, we're clear, but Sunday, rain showers are back, and then we cool down again next week. So that's the update from nappycast.com and jasonnappyweather.com. The latest updates always available online.